Tucked away on the slope of side streets in Shanghai, Hong Kong, lies a printing shop that has been in business for nearly 70 years. Quanhua Printing occupies several dozen square meters, of which nearly half is taken up by 2 printing machines, including an original Heidelberg windmill that has been in use for over 50 years. Young Wai-San is the second-generation operator of the letterpress printing shop founded by his father. In 1947, his father came to Hong Kong from Heshan, Guangdong, and learned printing from Young's uncle. In the 1950s and 1960s, the printing industry in Hong Kong began to take off.
咁我爸咧就把心一橫咧，就自己咧就開咗呢一間嘅光華印務公司。1954年咧就開咗呢間公司嘅，就好細個已經要幫爸爸手噶啦，因為我哋呢一啲手作就好需要大量嘅人手嘅。
Lead typeface is an indispensable item in letterpress printing. Unlike modern computer typesetting, a single misplaced letter in letterpress printing requires starting all over again. Each lead typeface can be used to print between 20,000 and 30,000 times, and every letterpress printer cherishes their typefaces because they cannot be easily replaced once they are worn out. Offset printing, which does not require manual typesetting, gradually became popular in the 1980s, posing a challenge to traditional letterpress printing. By the mid-1990s, all 4 major typecasting companies in Hong Kong had closed down. Once running a bustling shop, Young and his wife are now the only ones left to keep the machines running.
咁就阿爸一番心血，咁就嚟到我手上，咁我就諗住睇下點樣可以即係保存落嚟。咁我咧就近年咧就搞咗一啲工作坊，活字印刷呢一個行業可以講佢就淘汰咗。咁就亦都近年咧有一個懷舊保育嘅熱潮啊！咁啲人咧就活字印刷，我哋中國古代4大發明之一喎。究竟係點樣嘅一回事咧？咁樣好多人都有興趣想了解下。
Since 2014, movable type printing technique has been listed in the Intangible Cultural Heritage Inventory of Hong Kong in the Traditional Craftsmanship domain. With the help of Hong Kong heritage conservation groups, Young now runs his shop as a living museum.
除咗係話可以我保留住我爸爸呢一份心血之外咧，亦都可以就推廣呢一個嘅活字印刷嘅文化，俾區外人或者行外人了解活字印刷曾經喺香港呢一段嘅光輝歲月咯。